This is the Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cutting machine. My old machine is showing its wear and it's time for a new one, just so that I don't go without for a period of time. So I'm taking it all out of the box here. You can see there's a stack of plates and accessories that it comes with, as well as the handle is separate, so you do need to attach the handle. It's very easy to attach it. I tried to pry the plates down and I thought I would be forcing them, so I figured I should read the manual first to make sure that I was doing it properly. The handle comes in a separate bag, as well as the screw, the washer, and I think it's called an Allen key to put it in. Again, very simple and easy. You just put the washer and the screw in the handle hole, put it on the edge of the machine, and then use the tool to screw it right in. Once you have that in, you're pretty much ready to go. I did take the moment to read the manual just to make sure that I was going to be using it properly when I go to use it. In the stack that comes with it, there's all sorts of different plates. There's a cute little thank you die, as well as some flower dies. There's a warranty thing, as well as an instruction booklet, and a really nice 3D embossing folder that I can't wait to try out. Each one of those plates is nicely labeled, so you can know exactly which plate they're referring to. There's no guessing, and I love the fact that they have a picture graph on two of the plates to show you what this proper stacking for different things is. Again, it leaves very little to guessing and interpretation. It makes it very, very clear to know exactly what plate is what and what goes where. The instruction booklet is very short and sweet and very easy to read. Now that my machine is unboxed, I can't wait to use it and do some die cutting and embossing.